Hi, I'm Gina Marmo.
I'm Vic Marmo. We have been married for 44 years.
My name is Vernell Fitzgerald.
And I'm Larry Fitzgerald.
And we've been married for 44 years, and we have 3 adult children and 5 grandchildren.
We love that it's enough space for our children and our grandchildren when they come for Sunday dinners. And also, we love having the bedroom on the first floor.
The neighbors, the girls, we've already had our happy hour. We've already had a wine tasting gathering, so it's going to be a fun neighborhood, really fun neighborhood.
We have been searching for several years to downsize and saw several different floor plans. We fell in love with it as soon as we walked in the door.
It was beautiful. I mean, the minute we walked in that door, I said, this is it. After all, I don't know how many model homes we've looked at. I don't know how many floor plans, single family homes we've looked at. This was it.